Very good afternoon, traders. Welcome to MST School of Trading. So once again we have posted our live video on YouTube in the morning, and before the market has reached our buy or sell zone, it has been notified in the Telegram group also. So now it is time to show the performance of our MST Secret 2.0 in what? In Bank Nifty. So as usual, when the market is open, we are supposed to go here in the indicator settings and give reset settings. If you want to keep tiny SL, you can keep. If you want to keep very tiny SL or very tiny SL, you can keep depending on the script you are choosing. Okay. And the next one, I am going to play the bar play button because already market has reached our sell zone and target also has been hit. So now I am ready with the bar replay. Market has opened. Immediately my sell or buy zone has been formed. Okay. So I know my sell zone, I know my buy zone. So where is my sell zone? 43,889 and buy zone 43,527. If the market is reaching to the 43,889, I will be buying 43,900 put option. When the market is coming down and touching 43,527, I will be buying 43,500 call option. It is ATM. Suppose if you don't have to buy ATM, if you don't have capital to buy ATM, then you can buy the midpoint as the strike price, that is 43,700 put option, 43,700 call option. If the market is coming and touching the sell side first, we will be buying the put. When the market is coming down here and touching the buy zone, we will be buying the call option. So now what happened? Exactly, it has touched our sell zone and we have PE order. Buy PE has been executed. If buy activated, there is no sell. If sell activated, there is no buy. So I am removing all other settings. Clear? So I am removing DCP. I am enabling top midpoint. So now what happens? See here. I am waiting for the target. Yeah, first target perfectly hit. First target perfectly hit. Second target, we are waiting. If market is coming down, we will be booking the second target also. And here if we see in the sell zone, we got perfectly R3C pattern has formed. Perfect R3C. So market has not closed above our sell zone and it has closed below, and one more CC candle we have got it. When the low of CC candle is broken, at the 50% of the CC candle we have to take the entry, and stop loss is the same, highest high of these two candle. So stop loss is very small, 43,906 only, and we have got very good profit. And once again it has reached our sell zone and it is trying to come down. Almost some 50 points already we have got the profit in the second time. Okay. And one more thing, after practicing this R3C pattern, here also you have got one entry, buy entry. Here also you have got one buy entry. So from here to here also you are in a profit. Okay. So we are telling R3C is valid at our support and resistance. See here, once more it is coming down and touching our sell side call option, sell side put option. Okay. So this is very simple to follow. If you have any doubts, please feel free to contact us. Thank you all. Bye bye. Wish you all a happy profitable day ahead. And we request one more thing, if you are not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe, like and share to all your beloved trading members. Thank you all. Bye bye.